Good morning, guys. I'm back again to share another making money online or work from home jobs idea and something that I researched and I found online. Excuse me. And you don't have to be, it's playing video games, making money playing video games, but you really don't have to know anything about video games to be able to work at home and make money. You can do this on your even on your phone. You can use your phone console. You can use a video game console that you probably have at home, or you can use your computer or laptop. And you can do this from anywhere in the world. This website has been around since 2008. You receive payments via PayPal, check, or wire transfer. You redeem your exciting rewards and gadgets for things like Nintendo, Sony, Microsoft products if you're into gaming. But for the most part, you do the beta testing of their video games and make money, and the money goes directly to your PayPal account, your checking account, or through a wire transfer to your bank. And you can start making money as soon as today, the minute you sign up. You don't need any technical knowledge to do this. So this website will tell you how to easily be a video game tester. It's testing video games, playing them, and letting the company know if there are any glitches or what you found to be the pros and the cons. The editor in chief here, Chris Page, he he is the editor of Shoot Up Gaming magazine, and he also recommended this site for playing video games and making money. And if you don't know who he is, you can research him online. Chris Page, he is the editor in chief at Shoot 'em Up Gaming magazine, so he knows more than I do. And if he says that, and a lot of sites have carried this website: Joystick, MSNBC, Yahoo News, GameSpot, and so much more. You get paid to test video games at home. You can participate in online play sessions with other members. You can get paid to participate in focus groups. And you also get paid with online game surveys and get paid to test and review mobile games and even apps that you download on your phone. This particular website is a source between you and these high-paying corporations. Look how many corporations are waiting for you to come and test their video games so that you can make money at home. Nintendo, which is a company that has been around for a long time. Sony Computer, excuse me, Square Enix, Bungie. If you're a gamer, you will know all these names and know that they are big names in the gaming industry. There are Maxis, even Google. Come on now. Okay, so let's scroll down. You can choose your reward as a video game tester, because the companies value your opinion and they will reward you greatly. You can collect points and then redeem them for cash. You can do the testing and surveys, or you can just do the testing. And if you don't like surveys, you don't have to do that either. But this is just an extra way to make money. Excuse me. Excuse me. And here again, it tells you that you have different platforms that you can do your testing, that you can earn cash testing games. I already mentioned on your mobile phone, PC, and gaming console. You can also receive free games and a copy of the released version of the game that you have tested. So that is a big plus if you're a gamer. Excuse me. And you can also receive accessories, game accessories, for the points that you earn by testing their products. You can receive Xbox Live points and vouchers as well, Starbucks card, Amazon card, PlayStation Plus, you name it, Netflix voucher card, gift card. You can get invited to game conferences, launches, exhibits, and conventions, such as E3, Japan Game Expo, and so much more. You receive cash right into your bank account, wire transfer, PayPal, on earnings above $1,000. How long does it take? Most users make money or redeem the first reward within 24 hours. Everyone earns at their pace. So you set your own pace. It's all up to you. All you have to do is to come to this website. I'll leave the website in the description box. You create an account. You choose the kind of job you want, testing survey or whatever, whichever ones that are being offered. You play the game as a means of testing them, do the surveys, and you get paid. Simple. And these companies that will pay you to play video games, no matter, it doesn't matter where you live. Check out just a portion of the 150 plus countries that offer video test gaming. And so it's not only the United States and the UK and all those prominent countries, it's all over the world. Canada, Germany, all over the world. And you get a lot of benefits from doing this from the online video game tester. You have no boss, no alarm clocks, no noise. You play within your spare time if you want to do this part time, or you create your own full time hours if you're a disciplined person. If you love gaming, this is going to be amazing. Why play games just for fun when you can do it and make money? That's what I'm talking about. And some of the questions here, what bugs did you encounter while playing the game? These are some of the questions that the companies want to know. What level did the game slow down or freeze? And so much more. But what the company wants to know is to make sure that the game is 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 running smoothly. Sorry, for lack of a better word, is running smoothly for them to start marketing it to other gamers. Yeah, these are some testimonials from some gamers that have done the video testing. Yeah, this person's Henry Williams from the UK says, "Hi there, I have to say there is nothing better than making money from something that you really love doing." That's exactly what I was saying. So thank you for letting me earn good money for what I love to do, playing first-person shooters and RPGs. Yes. So all you have to do now is to come to the website, click the link in the description box, and come and start playing games like League Legends, Mario Kart Deluxe, Call of Duty, and if you love basketball, NBA 2K 2D. All right? And so it's time for you now to take actions. Don't just watch the video and not do anything about it. Take action by clicking the link and start making money playing video games. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification button because I'll be coming out with another video tomorrow so that about making money. And this is going to be a different way to make money because everybody has different experiences, skills, likes, and dislikes. So this is for gamers or those who want to do video game testing. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.